Hello, this is video number 3, FE training quiz for hydraulics and hydrologic systems. Yeah, that's what it's called. So in this case, we're going to, we'll read the problem, and we have the supplied reference to help us figure things out if we need it. And the question is, a residential lot of 0.37 acres has a house which occupies 0.05 of those 0.37 acres, and a driveway that covers 0.035 of the 0.37 acres. That's a small house and a big driveway. Runoff coefficients are 0.5 for the undeveloped parts of the lot, so that's where all the grass and trees and birds and chickens and stuff are. 0.85 for the house itself, and 0.9 for the driveway. We want to find out what the peak discharge from the lot during a storm event with rainfall intensity of 0.5 inches per hour. So the first clue is it's got the word runoff coefficient. So let's see what that means. Oh, you piece of junk. So we have NRCS, rainfall runoff. I don't see a runoff. Oh, right there. Looky here. Right there in this old rational formula. Now, yes, I knew that ahead of time. So did y'all. We have Q equals Culinary Institute of America, where Q is the peak discharge and the intensity is in inches per hour. Yep, we got those units going. And the area is in acres, sure enough. And we have a runoff coefficient for the different parts, and so now we just have to figure out how to composite those and then apply the rational formula. So just like with the curve number composite, we'll do the same with runoff coefficients. So we have 0.5 is a runoff coefficient, and that's applied to an unknown quantity. 0.85 is applied to the house, so it has 0.05 acres. And we have 0.90 is applied to the driveway, which is 0.035 acres. And so the unknown value is whatever the total, 0.37 is, minus the two incrementals, 0.05 minus 0.035. And since I'm not about to do this in my head, we'll use the mighty calculator. 0.39 minus 0.05 minus 0.035 equals 0.305. We'll place that into here. 305. And now we'll perform the multiplications and then add up the result. So 0.305 times 0.5 plus 0.9 times 0.035 plus 0.85 times 0.05 equals a total of the summed product is 0.2265. We'll divide that by the total acreage, 0.370. And we have a composite runoff coefficient of 0.612. I think I would go with 0.61. All right, now we can apply Q equals CIA. We've just determined the composite, 0.61. We have the intensity, which is given to us, of 0.5 inches per hour. And we have the area, which is given to us as 0.37 acres. Times 0.5 times 0.37, press the equal sign, and I come up with 0.11325 feet cubed per second. And the closest number without going over is B. And that was how we can do this problem. An alternate way to do the problem is to calculate the discharge for each individual component, and then just add those up. That'll have roughly the same numerical answer.